Real life.
Hello, everyone. Good morning and very good evening to all over you world and all our viewers. So yeah, the Saturday is here. You know, the Saturday evening or Saturday morning for USA people, जिसका हम सबको बहुत बेसब्री से इंतजार होता है. आपको, हमें, हम सबको बहुत बेसब्री से इंतजार होता है. क्यों? क्योंकि आप जानते हैं इस शो में हम लेके आते हैं आर्टिस्ट और हम उनसे बातें करते हैं बहुत सारी. मैं अर्पिता आप सभी का स्वागत करती हूँ इस शो में विद अरिजीत माय को होस्ट. सो अरिजीत, ओवर टू यू.
Thank you, Abida. Thank you for the lovely introduction. Good morning, viewers. We are myself, Arijit Basu, hosting this celebrity show, and I have today with us Anisa Bhatt and Shreyash Pardiwala. So, before I like to start, go forward, I'd like to say a few words. Like this show is brought to you by NRBnews24.com and watched by from all over the world, from various places: India, US, Canada, Australia, UK, Saudi Arabia, and many other countries. So before I go on with any other questions, I'd like to have Anisa with us just to, before I ask questions to her, I'd like to say some few words about her. And first of all, Anisa, thank you. Thank you so much for coming and accepting our request to come and join with us. It's our great privilege to have you here. Thank you. Thank you once again. And before I start, she is a British Asian actress from London. She has done work in both UK and Mumbai, India. She studied performing arts in London and worked as an actor, in the UK and India. She is currently also a part of Hillsong Performing Arts team in the UK. Her podcast, Unplugged with Annie, is a year-old venture. Her short film, It's a Girl, produced by Mehnaz Nadiawala and directed by Simar Bhatia, was accepted at festivals around the globe, including LA and New York City. They own 2018 Best Drama for this prestigious Los Angeles, as well as Best Actress. God Cancer is a short film which was shot in India, directed by Kankana Chakraborty from LA and supported by LA Best producer Ruhi Haq, which won awards and done the festival rounds in USA. They were also featured in an interview in Good Morning La La Land. And now I'd like to have Anish ask few questions. I'll start. Hi, Anisa. You are a British Indian television and film actress. You started your career as a child artist in the television show Ishan, which aired on Disney Channel India. From there to your film debut in Shuja Ali's movie Bat Ban Gai, how did all this happen?
Yeah, okay, perfect. It's quite a long story. Long story cut short is, yeah, I just decided that I wanted to act when I was very young, and I was just participating in a lot of school plays, and I tested for a Hindi feature film during my university days, and I got selected for one project, and they flew me out to Bombay, and I begun workshops for that film. And then that particular film I didn't end up doing actually. And at that point, I had come to India. So I wanted to explore the industry. And therefore, I started going for auditions, getting my folio clicked, and doing all the routine things that us actors have to do. And then Ishan happened quite quickly, and it was just a wonderful show, an opportunity to learn. It was my first kind of professional credit. And for about 2 years, I was busy doing the 2 seasons of Ishan and just got to learn so much. So it was such an experience, even till date, like so many fans follow all the cast, and they keep sharing their love for the show and requesting that we come back with another season. But I think all of us have grown up way too much, so I don't think that'll work.
Yeah, that's so nice to start with to know about you. and your journey, how it started. So I go move on to the next question. Like you also featured in Anita Rani BBC Two documentary titled "Bollywood: The World's Biggest Film Industry," and have been interviewed by BBC Radio for a recent podcast on your work as an actor in India, and
Mhm.
also acted in films like Zindagi Na Mile Dobara, Half Girlfriend, Ye Jawani Hai Diwani. So, how has been that journey so far, and which has been your most satisfying moment? आपका कौन सा best moment रहा है
Oh my
making
God.
you did an act show with Shah Rukh Khan. So, tell something about those.
Actually, best moment pick नहीं कर सकती I think इतने सारे moments थे. So it's really difficult, for me to pick one. जिंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा, of course, बहुत special है मेरे लिए because that was like the first, ensemble cast film I was involved with. I got to work with Zoya Akhtar and some fantastic actors. So that memory is very, very special. But a specific moment nahi hai. I think Ishan generally just marked the start of my career, at least the work that I was doing in India. So again, Ishan and Disney is super special to my heart. But actually, एक actor के लिए बहुत मुश्किल है, to just pick one moment. There's just so many characters you get to play, and I hope that I continue to do, amazing and incredible work around the world. So I'd hate to just pick one moment.
Yeah, exactly. You were right. It's just very difficult to pick one moment. But
But I would like to know about, any incident or anything which is very, quite dear to you, or you had, something memorable while shooting on Zindagi Milegi Na Dobara, because that's, my favorite movie.
I think Zindagi. I mean, I wish I had much, much more to do in Zindagi. But I remember actually a little bit before that shoot, I was in an auto rickshaw and I had a bit of an accident actually in an auto, so I was injured. So actually, I think I had a band, around my arm. So
Oh,
so the costume people had to kind of cover that up very nicely with the way I was holding my costume, and luckily for dinner table scene, the specific scene where
oh
I'm
yeah, I remember in the beginning.
yes, yes. So luckily, it was not actually very visible.
Uh,
So that was fine. But I just remember that screaming scene, and we had to rehearse it, and me and Kalki are sitting opposite from each other. So that specific moment is, it stands out for me because so many people remember me for that. Um, I think that's what makes it special. And of course, I got to work with Kalki again in Ye Jawani Ye Diwani. So I feel like,
yeah.
recently she came on my podcast as a guest.
Yes,
So
I watched that too.
yeah, so it seems like we've gone, long back actually, and it's really nice to,
Wow.
it's really nice to have that relationship and friendship with your colleagues as well. So yeah, that would be special.
Wow. So Anisa,
Anitha,
yeah, Rijit.
no, it's fine because Anisa, I was just following her quite closely. Instagram live she does, which is very intriguing. And recently, I was watching just yesterday, maybe it was a very nice conversation on some very related, interesting topic. I'll not go that much in details because we have very less time. So, Arpita, over to you again.
Yeah, so Anisa, because even I've been following your podcast on Instagram, and you have come on radio shows also, right? Yeah. So
Yeah.
yeah. So nowadays, because people are getting so much into social media, and but there is something, there's a lot going on in their mind. So because of this pandemic, many things are getting sore, or so I just want to ask you, do you have any advice for those relationships that have become strained due to the close proximity brought about by pandemic?
Yeah, that's a great question. Yeah, in fact, I had a live with another dear colleague of mine, Rob Mack. He is a happiness coach based in Los Angeles, California. So I had the pleasure of meeting him when I was promoting Got Cancer in LA. And he was part of the team at Good Morning La La Land. So he interviewed me. So again, very similar questions I was asking him on the live yesterday. Was also a previous guest on my podcast. But he said some really great things, which is just that, just because we are all home now, it does not mean that we can, that we should not compartmentalize our lives at all. On a usual basis, you would be going to work and maybe going to an office and leaving your home and having, certain allocated time outside of the house. Right now, what's happening is a lot of people are working from home. So everyone's kind of on top of each other. And there could be a lot of, toxicity also in those relationships. So I think there's no like clear cut answer. I would just say that, mental health को definitely, prioritize करनी चाहिए. And
Right.
you need to do things for your peace. So that could just be meditation. It could just be getting involved in creative activities which make you happy, talking to people who really uplift you, being part of communities. There's a number of things that we can do, but definitely being self-aware and understanding, your body and your mind. And definitely something I stand by is self-care is not selfish. So we need to take care of ourselves first. And I think that's what Rob clarified yesterday as well, that it all starts from you. So that should be the primary focus. Take care of yourself first, and then automatically your relationships get better.
True, true. Actually, we have another artist with us on this show, Shreyas Porus Padiwala. He is originally a theatre actor, director, and writer. He ventured into Bollywood films and has successfully been. It's been three. He has been part of three films. Yariyan, Sanam Re, and Sweetie Weds NRI. I am sure you have watched these movies and remember him. He also started in web shows and theoretical productions. He is academical, a clinical psychologist, and conduct counseling sessions for psychodrama workshops. So Shreyas, this question I would like to ask you too. Shreyas, are you there?
I think Shreyas's camera is having some problem. So this question as okay, Shreyas is here, so we will have him.
Yeah, Shreyas.
Shreyas, you have to unmute your microphone. You have to unmute your microphone. You have to unmute. You have to unmute your microphone.
Am I there?
Yeah. Yes,
now.
you are. Yeah, perfectly. So, Shreyas, did you get my question? Were you there when I asked? Yeah.
Can you please repeat it once again?
Okay, so I asked this question to Anisa, and because you are also a clinical psychologist, so I would go and ask you the same question. That do you have any advice for those with relationship that have become strained, due to the close proximity brought about by pandemic?
Well, I completely understand this question. I understand the gravity of the situation because it is unfortunately happening in society today. And all I can say is the only advice I can give to avoid this unnecessary separation, which is brought by the close proximity, which is a very ironic thing if you go to see. The only thing I would suggest is live and let live. The problem is, when we are doing our own work, when we are amidst our own scenario, our own work, the own situation we have of ourselves, we create for ourselves, we don't come in individuals' ways. But when we are staying together, we forget the art of living together. We forget the art of accepting and cooperating. I really feel that this understanding needs to be there between couples, between people living together under the same roof. Live and let live is my motto, and I would like to advise this to a lot of people.
Living and let live. Yes, that's the word. That's the key statement. Uh, yes, you want to say something, Shreyas? Carry on.
I'm sorry, Arijit, I'm unable to hear you.
Are you guys, the Arpita and Anisa, are you able to hear me?
Perfectly fine.
I
Okay,
Yeah,
now
I can hear
I've got it.
you.
I think there's a bug in the entire system, so I have to keep clicking something in order to hear you. I'll figure it out. Don't worry.
Okay, so don't
Okay.
you don't have to like mute your microphone. I'll do it from my end. So don't
Okay.
touch it anymore. Okay, so I'll take care of that. So yes, Arpita, because now that we have Anisa for a very brief period, you continue asking a few more questions to her. Then we'll pick back with Shreyas again.
Okay, so my next question for Anisa. So Anisa, how do you feel? Like, how can we deal the feeling of inadequacy while working from home? Because, everyone is working from home. It's been around 5 months. And because of this, there are so many issues, even at home and at work. So what do you say about this?
I mean, again, it's all about doing some self-reflection. I think it's really important to understand what you need to feel happiness, to feel peace, to calm down your anxiety, and you need to prioritize that and also communicate it with the people around you. So if you are in a home where there's two, three, four people, it's okay to have boundaries and to ask for your own space. It's okay if you want some downtime, like for yourself, if you can go for a walk. It's just a great way to de-stress. Also, I'm super big on exercise and fitness. I mean, मेरे लिए fitness बहुत ज़्यादा important है. So every day, I take time out for fitness, and it might not be something that everyone can do, but at least if you can commit to doing that 3 times a week, it's just a great way to just allow your body to produce good hormones. No one feels bad after a good workout. Just move. If you can go for a walk right now, when we're so sedentary, that really affects your mood. Also, nutrition is super important. If you're constantly eating junk food, it's not enabling your body to work as it should work in a healthy way. So you need to feed yourself good nutrients, try and get some sunlight, go outside if you can for 10 minutes a day, get moving. It's definitely going to elevate your mood and make you feel a little bit better.
करेक्ट बिकॉज न्यूट्रिशन यस आई एग्री क्योंकि अभी क्या हो रहा है आई हैव सीन द पोस्ट ऑन फेसबुक एंड इंस्टाग्राम इट वाज फ्लडिंग लाइक एनीथिंग इन द बिगिनिंग सब लोग अपनी कुकिंग का पोस्ट कर रहे थे सो आई वाज लाइक सब लोग न्यूट्रिशन इज शुड बी देयर बट सब लोग एकदम से ऐसा खाने लगे हैवी एंड विच इज not good for health, having daily these kind of junk foods and all. So yeah, I fully agree with this. And also,
So
at this time, I have also seen on social media that people are doing many things, like they are writing or they are learning something online courses, and they are doing something good with music. But there are people who are depressed or who are stressed. They are not able to do anything productive, and then after seeing these kind of posts they get so stressed. So how can we manage feelings that we are not being productive enough during this time?
So, I mean, the number one thing I would say is if that feeling of inadequacy is coming from comparison, then, like comparison karna avoid karna chahiye basically. So if you're going on Instagram a lot and you're consuming a lot of social media but it's not making you feel good, then wo limit karna chahiye. You know, at the end of the day wo aapke control mein hai. uh, do what you have to do. If you have to delete the application, if you have to set a timer and limit your time on social media, because ultimately, you know, nothing good comes from comparison, and that's where a lot of issues have started stemming from. So, you know, limit your interaction with technology if you can. Obviously, a lot of people's work is online, so it's not completely avoidable. Um, I would generally just also say, you know, you can only do the best you can. In terms of there's no right and wrong answer. You know, some days might be productive, other days might not be productive, and that's okay. So I think have that grace on yourself. Of course, mental health is such a big topic. It's very difficult, you know, generalization nahi karna chahiye ideally because, you know, alag-alag types होते हैं essentially, and it is
रीजंस भी अलग अलग हो सकते हैं.
हाँ, reasons भी अलग-अलग हो सकते हैं. So, you know, we can't sit and generalize and point fingers, that's for sure. I would definitely say if it's something which you're really struggling with, then reach out for help. Therapy, you know, बहुत लोग therapy के लिए जाते हैं and it's really, really useful. I don't see anything wrong with it. I think India में you know, लोग taboo समझते हैं to some degree, but I feel कि we need a new kind of outlook, you know, when we as to how we see therapy, and it's super beneficial for a lot of people. So if you're going through some big transition, if you've been through something very emotionally disruptive, some kind of trauma experience, then getting the right help is super duper important.
Anisa, there is a question coming, and I'd like to take that question. Yeah, now that we are like art of living together, and the communication is very important. But relationship with the with of parents with the kids, it's getting a backseat. Sometimes it's not gelling well. You know what I'm trying to say. So how
Mm-hmm.
see that, and how the bond between the parents and the kids would be more stronger. What do you think about that?
I think honestly it takes communication. हर रिलेशनशिप के लिए कम्युनिकेशन बहुत ज़रूरी है, बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है. हम कभी-कभी उस पे फोकस नहीं करते हैं एंड एक्चुअली फोकस करना चाहिए. It should be the first thing. You know, often parents just are unsure and skeptical as to how they should approach a child as well. Um, and it's very difficult, especially if their parents, if they've had a very different upbringing and they've not had parents who were so open with them in dialogue. So, you know, उनके लिए बहुत मुश्किल होता है. It's like this generational curse which continues until you break it. But I think these days communicating is very important. If you're having a hard time, it's important if you know if you're having a hard time and you need to express that to your child, it's okay for you to sit down and say, okay, you know, beta, I'm having a hard time. I'm feeling this. I'm not sure what I should do, you know. If you, or vice versa, if the child is having a hard time, the more you open dialogue as a parent, the more they will feel comfortable opening up to you. But it's a two-way relationship, it's a two-way dynamic. You know, we're very used to, especially in the Asian communities, a lot of the way we feel, a lot of our experiences and traumas, they are left unresolved and often brushed under the carpet. But actually खुल के, you know, बात करना चाहिए and बोलना चाहिए, and that's how we tackle problems, and we can move forward in a positive way, and that's how children learn. And then when they grow up and they become parents, you know, they can do a better job with their children. So it's a constant work in progress. Nobody is a perfect parent or a perfect child, but we can definitely learn to communicate better and be compassionate and empathetic towards each other.
Yes, very true. That's yes. We have to have the two-way communication going. That's what I get it from this the conversation. For this answers you have given, rightly said. अभी now आज का program हम लोग कर रहे हैं तो about the mental well-being. So about that, how do you prioritize, yeah, your mental well-being? How to cope up with the changes which is happening during the pandemic, and how do you like what would be the effect in the long term post pandemic? So
So I mean, for me personally, I'm quite a proactive person. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है जब मैं busy होती हूँ. So you know the when I generally feel like I'm more productive when I'm doing things. I keep very busy because of my podcast, because of my acting workshops, and all of these things are going on. But then I also enjoy to do very solitary activities. I enjoy my fitness. I enjoy reading. I love watching movies. I like going for walks. All of these things, accumulate, and that's how I kind of keep sane, I think. Otherwise, with like पागल होने वाली थी, I think, if in this pandemic. Um,
uh,
so I think it's important to find what you like to do.
right.
Again, no wrong and right answer. We're all different. I think maybe the extroverts are suffering more because they can't go out and party and meet so many people. But luckily, I'm not one of them. So I'm not. I'm quite happy in my little bubble.
You are talking like me because I am like I say that I'm happy in my own little shell, own little cozy corner of my kitchen. If I have to spend quality time, that's how I reduce
Yeah,
my
I know, Arijit, you're a good cook. I've seen pictures of your
yeah, I know it's not that.
experiment.
I love to do many things, but it's one pandemic has taught us many things. So this question, I'm sure, Shreyas, you also have about the mental health, which I asked Anisa. I'd like to know from you as well. How do you about the mental health? How do you strategize yourself, or like the challenges you are seeing right now, and during the pandemic, how do you like to handle it in the post-pandemic times? So, if you can just say a few words on that.
Absolutely, absolutely, most certainly. So, when we talk about mental health, the problem is individuals, they don't understand what exactly is mental health. So, let me first define what mental health is. Mental health is having, as the name suggests, a healthy mind. What is a healthy mind? A healthy mind is that which has a good balance, a good equilibrium of harmonious living on a day to day basis with the situations the individual faces. When you have that maintenance of balance, that harmony, that equilibrium, that is when the individual has a steady mental health. Now, of late, people keep saying, "Oh, I am depressed," "Oh, I am undergoing depression." What exactly is depression? Let us define depression first. Depression is, and I'm going to talk to you in very layman terms. I'm not going to give you these high funda definitions जो psychology किताबों में आप देखोगे आप पढ़ोगे. मैं वो नहीं बोलना चाहता हूँ क्योंकि जो आम आदमी है, जो आम public है, they do not then resonate with the definition. So I'm going to speak in a very layman terms. If I have to speak in layman terms, it's very, very simple, which is depression is nothing else but a deep, dark pit. Okay, it's a deep, dark pit where you lose yourself, where you feel there is no hope for a better tomorrow, where you feel people are not hearing you, where you feel people are not giving you a chance, you feel lost, you feel completely naked in this darkness. So, what will help you recover from the depression, or what will help you alleviate yourself from this deep, dark pit? It is a ray of hope, a ray of light. That ray of light, in terms of a ray of hope, is what will help you bring yourself out of this darkness. So, if you feel other people outside you will come and will help you bring this hope, then you are very, very wrong. This hope will not come from outside. You need to self generate this hope. So I really feel that individuals who are undergoing this tumultuous
anxiety or depression, they need to somewhere down the line motivate themselves, find situations and occurrences which give them this space of hope. This space of hope, when they latch on to, they will be able to somewhere down the line grow out of a depression. So I really see motivating yourself, assisting yourself, and as Anisa very correctly said, if you find toxic material outside, do not indulge in that material. Do not let that material get the better of you. Rather, focus on the positive, focus on the good, focus on that material which will actually help you cultivate hope, help you cultivate various promising future activities for yourself. Because as we say in Hindi, Jaisa an vaisa man. Whatever you take in, okay, will only be a reflection thereafter of what occurs outside. So feed yourself with the positive. So this entire
Absolutely.
lockdown,
Shreyas, I'd
this
like
pan.
to I'd like to just interrupt you and go back with the question because Anisa has to leave and
Oh, absolutely.
has some other thing going on. And thank you, Anisa, once again for accepting our request to come and be with us and spare your valuable time. Thank you so much. I sincerely thank you once again. Over to you, Arpita. If you have to say a few words, unmute.
So Anisa, because I don't want to leave you, although it's been so nice talking with you, and I hope to see you again on the same platform. But before going, I just want to know about your upcoming project plans and what what are you planning now next for our viewers.
So there will be a short movie which is releasing called Hangout, that's directed by Kabir Khurana and co-directed by Pratik Kothari. So we're in talks about that right now. It's all in post-production, but hopefully that's going to be seen on a digital platform in India. It should be available. Other than this, right now I'm so focused on my podcast and just all the work I'm doing on that. And I'm back in London currently, so hopefully a lot of cool things in store. Nothing else specific that I can talk about right this moment, but yeah, I'm really excited and for what's in store.
That's great. Do you want to say anything to our viewers before going? And yeah, I would like to thank you for joining us for this session.
Yeah, no, thank you. It was such a pleasure. I think at the end of the day, it's all about having hope. Of course, we're in this pandemic, but as Shreyas rightly said, it's all about dealing with what we have inside because that's going to get projected outside. So we need to kind of self-reflect and also heal ourselves first before we can even heal the world. So how do we heal relationships and love each other better? We have to love ourselves first. So I think, honestly, I would just encourage everyone to just not feel over consumed and over pressured by what's going on in the world. We're all in the same situation to some degree. We don't know what lies ahead, and we can just take each day as it comes. So take each day as it comes and just work on being happy a day at a time.
Lovely. Thank you. Thank you once again.
Thank you. Bye,
And
all.
Okay,
all the
bye,
best
bye,
for all
Anita.
your upcoming ventures. Bye
Thank
bye.
you so much. Thank you. Bye.
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 Take care. All the best.
Bye, Shreyas. Bye.
Bye. Bye. Take care.
Okay, Arpita, now we have Shreyas all. So
Yes.
तो हम लोग बात जारी like you continue with your question answer question session to Shreyas
Yeah,
and I
श्रेयस
will
तो क्योंकि हम लोगों ने शुरुआत की मेंटल हेल्थ से बट अभी मैं पूछना चाहूंगी अबाउट यू सो अभी तक मॉडलिंग थिएटर डायरेक्शन करियर एक्टिंग how has been your journey so far?
So it's been a phenomenal journey. I mean, I can't ask for more. I'm truly, truly very, very grateful for whatever has happened. I actually started off as a theater actor, and I was doing school plays, college plays. Thereafter, surprisingly, I got an opportunity to do a movie, and that opportunity actually came to me via Facebook. Now on Instagram, how the more followers you have, the cooler you are, or the more popular you are, or the more influencer material you are. Back in college days, the more Facebook friends I would have, the better it would be for me, because that much more studly you were in college. So I would accept anybody and everybody's request, to be very honest with you. हालांकि अब मैं नहीं करता हूँ इतना, but back then that was the trend. So apparently the people from T Series Yariyan, they approached me. They are on Facebook. They sent me a friend request. I accepted them. They had access to my wall. Thereafter, they asked me if I can come for an audition. I was very skeptical. I thought it was a spam mail, maybe some friend कोई टांग खींच रहा है मेरा. मैं कहा ठीक है चलो try कर लेते कोई नहीं. And I tried it and I went for the audition. And the rest is history. Yaria happened. Yaria ke baad Sanam Re and Sweetie Vedanara happened. My web shows happened. I was always a theatre actor. I went into theatre direction thereafter, writing plays as well. And yellow, we are in 2020.
Wow, that's great. As I know about what you do, about drama and theater, your success, everything. So I am very much inspired by you. So was it difficult for you to enter Bollywood?
You know what? It was not difficult for me to enter Bollywood क्योंकि जैसे मैंने आपको कहा मैं actually एक college का student था. I was just a college going boy doing the typical college going things. I grew my hair, had the funky clothes,
हाँ हम
enjoyed
देखे
it.
हैं वो पिक्चर. I can relate. जब हम खोज रहे थे आपके बारे में तो हम देख रहे थे
जी
different players और same person. It's like it's complete transformation from 2016 से 2020 like 2020.
Arijit
It's
ji, you
complete
won't
transformation.
Arijit ji, you won't believe me, sir. In fact, recently for an audition, I went and the casting director was like, and I'm like, Shreyas, I contacted you. She was like, but didn't you have long hair? Weren't you skinny? I'm like, yeah, that was 6 years ago, 2014. We are 2020. It's different. So I was just college going boy, Arpita, and it so happened that, as I said, Facebook के माध्यम से उन्होंने मुझे contact किया. They contacted me. I got the job via Facebook because they contacted me. I went for the audition. I mean, कुछ पाना कुछ खोना ऐसा कुछ था ही नहीं. I'm a college going boy. I never expected this to be my occupation. हालांकि I was always a theatre actor. I never expected Bollywood to actually be an occupation of sorts. So it actually fell into my lap. It was getting a grace of God. It just fell into my lap. So entering Bollywood wasn't difficult. I never went out looking for auditions. It came to me after Yaria, sustaining in Bollywood. Now that was difficult. To get my first break, it was a dream come true. Any actor's dream to get a big banner project. I was blessed. Believe you me, guys, I was blessed. Thereafter, I don't know blessing ka kya hua. I'm just joking. Thereafter, sustaining in the industry, that became a task. And you won't believe me if I tell you, I was watching a Nasiruddin Shah and Ratna Patak. They are stalwarts in theatre, in
It's,
cinema, as
I
actors.
agree.
This powerhouse of a couple, they were actually talking in an interview, and I remember Ratna Patak ma'am had said, "Ki to get your first movie, it's not impossible, it's not easy, but sometimes mil jata hai. With that streak of luck, with that audition, you get it. Thereafter, getting your second film, now that's a challenge because in your first movie itself,
So
people
that's
will
with
judge you.
everyone in the industry, you see.
People will
Sustaining
judge
yourself
you.
is very difficult.
Very
I think
difficult.
it's the struggle which you have to continue going forward, right? So how about that? How now that you did not stop, because we know many actors like who started एक पिक्चर के बाद उतना खास नाम नहीं हुआ, उसके बाद तो बंद ही उनका कैरियर ज्यादा दिन चला नहीं. But you have been progressing. After that, you have done, I think, Sanam Re, then Sweetie Weds, like NRI. That I don't exactly remember the name.
No, you're right.
Uh,
Sweetie Veg and
Yeah,
Arai, exactly.
Sweetie Weds NRI,
I
right?
watched that movie.
Yeah, so that one, and then बहुत सारे काम भी आप कर रहे हैं थिएटर में अभी. आपका जो हम देख रहे हैं कि देयर आर वेरियस कॉमिक रिलीफ जो आप प्रोवाइड कर रहा है, वो तो लाइक इन दिस टाइम ऑफ क्राइसिस इट्स वेरी मच नीडेड. And
Thank you.
how are you doing this? How are you balancing your this journey?
So
It's
you
interesting to know from the horse's mouth. So
So thank you. So after my films got like after my films happened, simultaneously, I mean, this is still not a journey I'm balancing. ये जो अभी का present moment है, वो फिर भी आसान है. Let me tell you a trivia. When I was doing Yaria, I was shooting for Yaria simultaneously as I was giving my Bachelor of Arts in Psychology board examinations, my BA examinations. I still remember today is the patchwork of Aaj Blue Hai Pani Pani, the patchwork, and 2 days later is my final statistics exam, and I was horrible in math, and I took arts hoping I will not see the face of mathematics, and when I got into psychology, I'm like, oh god, stats. So it was really a pain. And when I did Sanam Ray, I was doing Sanam Ray as I was giving my master's part one examination. I was doing Sweetie Weds NRI as I was doing master's part two examination. मेरे घर में ये जोक चलता है, बेटा तू और पढ़ाई कर और फिल्म आएंगे तेरे पास.
so
Exactly, I was about to say that.
I
you are a
swear शायद यही
multitasker.
करना पड़ेगा.
You are a multitasker, and अभी जैसे चल रहा है ये पैंडेमिक के लिए, just you can't stick to one particular thing. You have to keep nurturing and rebuild yourself.
Absolutely,
जैसे कि
absolutely.
you are a Bollywood actor, a theater actor personality, and also besides that a clinical psychologist. A very rare combination. वेरी रेयर कॉम्बिनेशन. जैसे कि ऐसा होता
Thank
नहीं
you.
है, क्योंकि एक आर्टिस्टिक इंडस्ट्री और एक different to read psychological mindset. So that's again a very new domain for many.
Yes.
Many people can't think about it. Like कैसे हम लोग psychologically किसी से बात कर सकते हैं professionally, being a Bollywood
Hmm.
actor. So
Yes.
you have
Yes.
to find it, and I'd like to know more about those. Arpita, you can ask him uh, many more questions, as we are not letting him go just like that.
No, 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 no. We won't. We won't.
So
While our sessions, I came to know more about Shreyas. Although I've watched all of his movies, and but there are few things which I came to know during our session, and I was so surprised that he's done a lot. In theaters, and you've done international courses, which you told,
yes.
right?
Yes.
So how
Yes.
about that? I mean, your studies, your Bollywood and theater, and these international courses which are tough. So how did you balance all this?
I'll tell you one thing. You know what? And I'm being very honest with you. Um, a lot of people, the reason why, and I'm not saying I'm some overachiever, but as you're now telling me, I'm like, oh yeah, I've done this, and this. Oh yeah, I've also done this. I'll tell you very honestly, that is because I think back then it was a very, very strong boon which I received, and thanks to you, I'm going to really put it more into motion again. Is I did not become complacent. मैं सब कुछ हासिल करना चाहता था. Okay, and I literally went with the flow, but I saw that I was actively doing it. Arpita, in fact, Cyrus, who I believe last week only all had interviewed, he has been such a great mentor to me as
Yeah.
well, and he was in fact the producer of Sweetie Weds NRI, and I
Mhm.
draw inspiration from him and lot more people like him. There's this one typical Hindi में हम लोग कहते हैं ना गाड़ी चलनी चाहिए. So
Exactly.
when I did theater, it if I would only be like, ठीक है मैंने theater किया बस, and I would put my hands up, I would never be able to learn. If you are an artist, you need to continually learn, continually update yourself. जैसे हम लोग मोबाइल फोन जब एक बार बाय करते हैं, एटलीस्ट मतलब एक साल में हम एटलीस्ट 3 4 5 बार अपग्रेड करते हैं. iOS को
Mhm.
आईफोन पे कैसे अपग्रेड वर्जन आता है, you as an
Mhm.
individual, you as an artist need to keep upgrading yourself. So that is how theater happened. Theater के बाद direction के बाद script writing, फिर simultaneously acting, script writing and direction, then psychology के बाद counseling के बाद therapy. You know, I even did something called, I literally did over a 9 month course at the Jeff Goldberg Method Acting Studio, where I actually learned method acting, and I have a diploma in method acting as well. And this was
Mhm.
happening. So I'll tell you, I was shooting for Sweetie Weds NRI as I was giving my master's part one exam, my master's
Mhm.
part two exam. My master's part two got over. Sweetie Weds NRI went into went into editing.
Mhm.
It went into editing, and I joined this 9 month course. 9 month course got over, Sweetie Weds and I released. So you know the ball was moving. If I would finish my masters and say, okay, अब मैं घर में बैठने वाला हूँ, कुछ नहीं करने वाला, I'll wait for something to come. You know, it's
Yeah.
just time waste. Keep challenging
Yes.
yourself. Don't become complacent. Don't become, I mean, always appreciate what you have, but don't say, I've reached the final level, I'm satisfied. बिकॉज द मिनट यू फील दैट आप आगे नहीं बढ़ पाओगे.
नहीं बढ़
अगर आप
पाओगे.
एक
Correct.
और ये बस ये आर्टिस्ट लोग के लिए ही नहीं है, अर्पिता, ये सबके लिए है. जब कंप्लेसेंसी बैठ जाता है ना इंसान में, द पर्सन बिकम्स रस्टिक. यू शुड नॉट बिकम रस्टिक. कीप चैलेंजिंग योरसेल्फ, एंड दैट्स व्हाट आई गेस आई हैव बीन डूइंग. आई हैव जस्ट बीन चैलेंजिंग माय सेल्फ.
Wow, that's great. So, beside that, like you are a clinical psychologist. So, what would be your science-based tips for emotional, resilience during the coronavirus crisis?
So I'll tell you one thing very, very openly and very, very honestly. I think Anisa and Arijit sir were talking about channelizing this term. It's a very, very important and vital term. And I realized, where and how do you channelize? You channelize when there is some exterior force which you are uncomfortable with. You take that and you make it into motion, put it into motion into something which you enjoy, something which you like. That is exactly what channelizing is. Take that emotion, okay? If you are not able to come to terms with it, it's okay. Use it to the best of your effect. It's like this. Sometimes a sportsman is purposely, the coach gets him or her angry, वो चावी मारता है, so that the person can perform little more better, give little more aggression. What is that? They know that when the aggression comes, the person won't start crying and getting angry. The person will immediately channelize that
Energy.
anger into a
Yeah.
motivation force to push the sportsman forward. That is exactly what you need to do with your emotions, number one. Number two, do you know why people are having a lot of problem in this pandemic? Apart, I'm not talking about this corona patients. I'm talking about individuals जो Facebook पे ऐसा status लिखते हैं, so sad, Monday blues, go corona go, oh my god, when will this end? वो, you know, I realized that because they are living in houses, they are not living in homes. There is a difference.
Exactly. Yes, I do
make
agree.
your make your environment a home. What is home? Home is your sacred space. House is only a building. House is only material, physical material. Home is when you make this physical material into a soft bed where you can rest your head and have a good night's sleep. The problem is people refuse to accept and acknowledge their surroundings because they live in families, they live in places, they treat their houses, their homes rather, like dharamshalas. आने का, सोने का, उठने का,
True.
काम पे लगने का. अरे भाई, this is not a hotel, this is not a dharamshala. This is your sacred space. Build your family. The minute I hear so many people wake up in the morning, fight with mother, fight with father, fight with brother, fight with themselves. The problem is we just want to keep fighting, 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 fighting. If we keep fighting, when will we learn the art of living? And the problem is, before the pandemic, if you fight with your person who you're living with at home, it's okay. You know for a fact that I'll bear the nonsense the person gives me, or I'll fight for 2 minutes. Then मैं घर के बाहर जाऊंगा. अभी ये लॉकडाउन में आप घर के बाहर नहीं जा सकते हो, तो what is going to happen? You're going to delve more into the fight because you leaving your house was an escape route. The problem is stop escaping. Start dealing with your environment. Deal with your surroundings. That is why people are getting, can you believe it? People are getting suffocated in their own
Own
homes.
house.
How can you get, yeah, exactly. How can you get suffocated in a place where a poor man will say shelter? हम कहते हैं ना छत नहीं है भैया आपके ऊपर छत है और आप इसी छत को सफोकेशन जोन बुला रहे हो. What does
And
that mean? That means you have
So
been.
nicely said,
yeah.
Shreyas.
Thank you.
That is true, because I was like listening to the conversation, like listening to what you were saying. Yes, so many people in our country or I mean various countries, उनके ऊपर छत नहीं है और हम लोग जिसके छत है हमारे ऊपर में वो भी हम लोग बोल रहे हैं कि we are depressed and we
When
don't know
my
how to
friends
live.
started
We are
saying
coping.
ki,
We are blessed.
yeah,
We are blessed to like have a food and we can eat whatever we want to. उसके बाद भी हम लोग बोल रहे हैं कि हम लोग डिप्रेस्ड हैं. कैसे हो सकता है ये?
when
This
my
is
friends started asking me, जब lockdown start हुआ था, कि what do you do whole day? How do you manage? I was like, this is my house, this is my home, मेरा घर है, मैं खुश हूँ यहाँ पे. That's I have something, whenever people ask me because I write, so people ask me what is writing for you. I say that's a sukoon wala kona for me. So this house is sukoon wala kona for me. And
Exactly.
I can do so many things sitting in house. I can, पहले जब हम लोगों के पास टाइम नहीं होता था, हम लोग कहते थे अरे यार ये चीज करने के लिए टाइम नहीं, आई एम सो बिजी, मैं तो घर पे रहता ही नहीं हूँ. बट अभी आप हो घर पे, so
You
use
know,
that time.
Arpita, Arpita and Arijit sir, लोग लोग डिप्रेशन शब्द को बहुत गलत इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं.
Exactly.
Depression is a
same.
serious is a serious disorder, is a serious problem which people generally are suffering. Just by being bored in the house, not getting outside entertainment does not mean you are depressed. Okay,
Exactly.
please, depression is genuinely a clinical terminology जो लोग बहुत लूजली इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं. मुझे इससे दिक्कत है. नंबर वन. नंबर टू is, if somebody is doing a 9 to 9 job, the individual wants to leave work and come home. Leaving work and coming home is not मुझे घर में सुकून चाहिए, it is मुझे वहां से escape करना है. People are getting into a fight at home. मैं नीचे जा रहा हूँ. मैं नीचे नहीं जा रहा हूँ गार्डन में वाव बोलने के लिए कि वाव कितने अच्छे पेड़ पौधे हैं. मुझे ये इसको escape करना है. The problem is we have now become immune to escapism. Lockdown corona में we
True.
actually were physically trapped. Okay, and the problem is people could not digest being put in one place. That is the main problem.
Very
The
true.
thing is we are not satisfied with our environment. Why are we not satisfied? The this thing not spoil me. If I'm not happy with it, that means the problem somewhere down the line is with my energy. Somewhere I also need to make that change, because always remember one thing: whatever is the occurrence outside you, okay, is a reflection of how you are dealing with it from within.
Correct.
Make that shift from within. देखो, अगर आप क्लिनिकल डिप्रेशन की बात कर रहे हो, क्लिनिकल एंजाइटी की बात कर रहे हो, तो ऑल दिस डजंट अप्लाई. देयर इज अ कंप्लीट, लाइक जैसे ब्रेन में ट्यूमर होता है एंड इट नीड्स सर्जरी, दैट बिकम्स अ प्रॉपर साइकोलॉजिकल क्लिनिकल थेरेप्यूटिक प्रोसेस व्हिच नीड्स टू बी अंडरगॉन. बट यहाँ पे people are just loosely using terms. People just want to keep escaping. They don't want to come to terms with their own life. Guys,
Yeah.
जीना सीखो, please.
Exactly.
Exactly. Very true. Jina Sikho. there are so many things like so many moments or periods in our life ऐसे कि पैंडेमिक के छोड़ के भी ऐसे सबके लाइफ में बीच बीच में प्रॉब्लम तो आते ही रहते हैं. So the most important thing is how you handle those situations, being calm, being cool. It's not that we can go into depression. Depression से कुछ भी नहीं होने वाला. पेट भी नहीं भरेगा और काम भी नहीं होगा. तो to come out of the depression, my thinking is we all, not only me or you or Arpita, every human being कुछ ना कुछ उन लोगों के अंदर में है that they can bring out from within themselves itself, and that is reflected when you are facing any kind of a challenge. That's what I feel. So I think we, all the viewers who are here today, listening to our shows, or maybe many of them are sleeping when they will tune in the morning or later, they
Sure.
must listen to the conversation what Shreyas has been saying and trying to like make you all understand that it's important to not be in depression. It's important to be more creative and go forward. Arpita, you
Yes,
carry on.
so yeah, so Shreyas, we were talking about lockdown. Lockdown में हम एक word use करते हैं, stress, depression.
जी.
Because although we have everything, but what about people who are really getting pay cuts, layoffs, या रिमोट स्कूल्स हैं या वर्क में घर बैठ के प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है. So then ever since lockdown has been relaxed in phases, but mandatory tasks, social distancing, and it has touched every facet of our lives, so including our mental health of people. What is your advice on that?
See, people who are undergoing, job losses, pay cuts, for them now, see, this is genuinely a very, very serious issue because so many people's livelihood is affected. So I can only say three things. Thing number one is trust the process that unfortunately it is temporary. अगर आपके साथ हो रहा है तो इसका ये मतलब नहीं है कि दुनिया आपके खिलाफ है. इसका मतलब है कि पूरी दुनिया आपके साथ है बिकॉज पूरी दुनिया ले ऑफ lack in pay, payment cuts, everybody is undergoing it. And even if somebody has not lost their job, the individual is getting a serious salary cut to a very, very high level cut. Like it's really becoming a very sad scene. Now you can do one thing. You can completely say, "Oh my God, my life has come to an end. Ab main kya karu?" And really cause that sadness to eat you up, or you learn to cope, you learn to deal with the situation. There are various ways of coping, there are various ways of trying. The problem is हम लोग दुनिया को सिर्फ black and white में देखते हैं. We forget to understand कि thing is not like job is lost मतलब end of life. It's not that black and white.
Yes.
There's something called gray. Find a middle ground. ये जो middle ground है is very, very important. Number two is that support groups. आपके friends, आपके family है. See, I'm referring to people who genuinely have a good friend circle, a good family, or rather a supportive family, supportive friend circle, supportive partner. क्या होता है ना कि जिनके पास नहीं है, that's an अलग बात altogether which I'm going to come to, but जिनके पास है वो लोग भी कहते हैं कि मेरी लाइफ में कोई नहीं है. अरे भाई, communicate करना सीखो. Another very, very big problem in psychology is when I talk to my clients, I'm like, guys, communicate. Communicate. And let me tell you, communicate is not a one way कि आप कि you're there and I'm just talking. आपको सुनना भी होगा. It is listening, talking. Communication is a two-way process. Communicate. Don't feel ashamed. Please don't feel ashamed.
But sometimes people don't talk or don't share because they are afraid of being judged.
Now I'm going to come to that, which also dives into those people who don't have supportive friends, don't have supportive family, plus those people who don't communicate with their support system because they feel judged. Okay, I want to say one thing. Um, if you get chest pain, आप क्या करते हो? घर में maybe hot water pad लगाओगे. You might take a cough syrup if you're getting cough. Now, if that cough becomes really bad bile, really bad phlegm, very very bad chest congestion, okay? सब लोग बोलेंगे pneumonia है, ये है, वो है, asthma है. It's becoming bad, bad, bad. You're not being able to breathe. Suffocation हो रहा है. आप फिर भी घर में ही बैठोगे, आप यही वो हॉट वाटर बैग सेकते रहोगे आपकी छाती पे? नहीं ना. You will actively pick yourself up and go to the doctor. You'll do that, right? Because you know you need external help. You know home remedies are not helping you. Same with psychology. If you feel a little sad, talk to your family. If you feel family and friends are not able to give you support or you don't have home remedy support, go and take external help. Therapists are available, blogs are available, videos are available, posts of people saying, write to me, write to me, write to me, we are here to help you, are available. There are communities and groups willing to help people for free, for a less price. Just I'm being for gratis, pro bono, for complete free. Aap ao, aap likho. There are anonymous blogs where you can write your sadness, write your depression, write your situation, your state, and somebody who comes from professional background can assist you, can give you therapy. There's so much available around you, but आप जाना नहीं चाहते हो, आप देखना नहीं चाहते हो. Now tell me one thing: if you get pneumonia and chest congestion, and you're going to sit at home saying, मेरे पास chest congestion है, I have pneumonia. What do I do? What do I do? What do I do? No one can help you. I'm telling you very honestly, the problem is, and this is the honest truth which people need to come to terms with. God helps those who help themselves. Truly, guys,
Yes,
pick
absolutely.
yourself. You if you're gonna keep quiet and you're gonna be like, which happens. People say I'm quiet, and in the opposite, obviously, the opposite person won't know what you are undergoing because I can't see what you're undergoing. Sometimes, depression is so silent. At that time, I really urge all my viewers, if they themselves are undergoing it, or their friends, family, colleagues are undergoing it, please go and seek active mental health from a professional. हम लोग हैं आपके लिए. Our literally our occupation, our study, our line of education is to help you guys. So go and actively seek help. It is like this. I'm being very honest with you. If you love somebody और मम्मी पापा खिलाफ है, आजकल ये तो पुराने जमाने की बात है. इलोप करते थे ना, भाग जाते थे ना
Yes.
घर से.
हाँ.
माँ बाप का आशीर्वाद मिले या ना मिले, ऑफ कोर्स हमेशा वी वांट इट पर नहीं मिल रहा है, तो क्या प्यार को ठुकराए? नहीं. So many Bollywood films, Heer Ranjha, Laila Majnu, Romeo Juliet, was all families against the lovers, and
And
the lovers eloped and ran away, isn't it?
yeah, I remember one Kamal Hassan sir का जो था एक पिक्चर वो 1980s का
Okay.
that was
Chasi Chasi Tarso Bees? No.
No,
no
no,
no
no,
no no
no.
no
It is
about that इलोप का
that
था ना जो एक दूसरे के लिए.
एक दूजे के लिए.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So it's not just so many years back ऐसे चल रहा था.
Exactly.
So
So my point is that if you are in love, you will ultimately elope and you will find your space. You will find your happy space, right? अगर family के खिलाफ भी है, आप करोगे because you know that your love, your prem, your family life with your partner is of more importance. So if you're going to give that importance, why can't you give your own self importance? When you are undergoing depression and family and friend circle don't want to acknowledge you, they don't want to support you, just how you're going to pick your lover up and run away, pick yourself up and go to the clinic. No, लोग कहते कि no, it's not that difficult, तुम नहीं समझ पाओगे. अरे भैया, if there's a will, there's a way. And the truth is, the will out here is not for you to have a good life partner. The will out here is for you to have a good life with your own self. You are your own partner.
Exactly.
First,
Yeah.
heal yourself. Pick, if you can literally, I can't believe it. People can pick themselves up from their cozy homes and run away with their partners, start a new life from scratch. Then why can't you pick yourself up and go to the clinic and seek active help? That's it.
Exactly.
I
That's
So,
It's very true. It's very very true. लोग कहेंगे कि बहुत ही stupid example है. मैं बोलूँगा नहीं भाई. It is the truth of life. Until the time you don't accept it कि you need help, no one's gonna help you. You have to pick yourself up and go and actively seek it. Like, it's not gonna change. People are gonna always look down upon mental health, and that's just a very sad thing. You have to help your own self.
yes,
true.
true, absolutely. Now we are learning from you many things beyond Bollywood, and that's what we have planned the program like that in the mental well-being.
Because
So,
life
but
is more
now
than just life is more than just a
it's more
Bollywood
than
film.
just Bollywood,
Exactly.
exactly. But now that you are here also, so I we would like to ask few things about Bollywood too. Uh,
Come on, let's go.
So, like, you make a mark in the Bollywood industry with huge fan followers, lead actor at a very young age, and from the film Iaria, and then Sanamre, then Desai, Sweetie Desai, right? It's where it's NRI.
You know
How
what?
does you see? Yeah,
Sorry, it was
tell me.
originally Sweetie Desai Veds NRI. Then it became Sweetie Veds NRI
Sweetie
only.
Vedanara.
Last
Exactly.
minute we
That's what
changed
I
the
was
name.
confused too. So it
You're
was
right.
Sweetie.
You're right.
Yeah.
You're right. You're right. Last minute उन लोगों ने change कर दिया.
Oh, okay. So now this upcoming growing budding talent, how do you like to see yourself in the coming in the next 5 years?
It
Well,
sounds like an interview, but
no, but you know this, Arpita, this is my favorite question because
question.
whenever people ask me,
Go.
where do you want to see yourself in 5 years? Where do you want to see yourself in 10 years? मेरा बस एक ही जवाब है इस सवाल के लिए. In the next 5 years बोलो, 10 years बोलो, how many ever years, आपने 5 साल बोला तो मैं 5 साल बोलूंगा. In the next 5 years, I really, really want to see myself bringing home, bringing back home the Oscars for Best Male Actor. That's my
Wow.
standard this
Wow.
Wow.
time.
And
I want to get the Oscars for Best Male Actor.
wonderful. And then
All
I
the
think
best for
you,
that.
and then all the best to you. And then I'm sure Shreyas would remember us to invite to the Oscar event.
Yes.
you know, you know what? I will be in the foreign country. You all will be there as well, so we'll be able to meet. I mean, you're both in the US, right?
Yes.
Yes, yes,
Yes.
yes, yes.
So I think हमारा मेल मिलाप ज्यादा होगा जब मैं ऑस्कर्स में जाऊंगा.
सही में.
तो
That's so
प्लीज
right.
मेरे लिए दुआ करो कि मैं
बिल्कुल,
ऑस्कर्स जाऊं और आप लोग को मिलूं भी.
बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल हमारी दुआ है और यहाँ आकर हमें याद करना. That's what he wanted to
जरूर,
say.
जरूर, जरूर.
That's so nice to have you today. And Arpita, you have any more questions, or it's almost an hour and 10
I'm so
minutes?
sorry. I'm such a chatterbox. I'm so sorry.
Oh
No,
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 that's
no, no, no.
great.
We
That's
have
what
the
we
plan like
enjoyed.
that.
And because of that, हमें पता ही नहीं चला टाइम कैसे गुजर गया.
But we can ask you more questions if you are fine.
Whenever you want, whenever you want.
So sweet of you.
So sweet. Now, I'd like to ask one more question. Like, what
जरूर.
are some of the challenges and the best strategies to cope up with the social distancing and self isolation? If someone is feeling anxious or depressed, we talked about it a lot. But what would be the best strategy just in few words, if you can tell that?
So you know the best strategy is, as I mentioned, keep yourself active. Like for example, I personally, even I was undergoing social distancing as a creative individual. You need, there are two types of creative people: some who need only themselves, and some who need people because they thrive on other people's energies. Now, the thing is that when you have this social distancing, when you're not meeting people, there is a possibility where your energies can get a little sapped for some people. So at that given point in time, what do? Don't, if you can't meet them physically, talk to people online. Dude, people are like, oh my god, reality has now become virtual reality. बन गया है ना, stop crying about it, take it in your stride, channelize it, जैसे मैंने पहले कहा, actively make it. अभी आपको पता है अर्पिता और अरिजीत सर, ये जो मेरे पारसी वीडियोस है, ये I originally started doing it on TikTok. I used to not like TikTok. I used to hate TikTok, saying, "Oh my God, cringe-worthy application." But I was being judgmental. When I realized, "Hey, come on, yaar, it is another social media platform giving individuals a space to perform whatever way they want to perform. Let's make the most of it." कोई और cringe worthy content डाल रहा है, you don't put it. So I started putting humorous content. Humor, laughter works as the best medicine. I did not intentionally do it to help people. I did it to help myself. And I realized when I was able to lift myself up, lift my spirits up, engage with people, people were enjoying me. People were laughing at the content I was doing. So that engagement motivated me. So I will just tell everybody during the social distancing period, if you feel energy sap, if you feel little low, start creating something new. When you create something new, if you want to display it and you don't have anyone to display it अपने चारों ओर, तो डालो Facebook पे, डालो Insta पे, डालो Twitter पे. I'm not saying expose your life on social media, but if you want to have an interaction, तो whatever selective tidbits you want to put, डालो यार. कोई जज करे या ना करे, एटलीस्ट देयर विल बी समबडी हु विल गिव यू अ थम्स अप, विल लाइक इट. वहां से कॉन्वर्सेशन देखो. इफ आई वुड नॉट पुट दीज वीडियोस, इफ आई वुड नॉट पुट क्लिनिकल साइकोलॉजिस्ट इन माय बायोडेटा ऑन इंस्टाग्राम, शायद ये होता ही नहीं. This
No, होता ही नहीं.
conversation we are
Right,
happening,
right.
so
Exactly.
Yes.
I put myself up out there from Bombay, India. I put myself out there. I put my creativity out there. I put a part of me out there. Two people from the US spotted it, noticed it, and have picked me up, and we are having a conversation today. So
Absolutely.
Absolutely.
to all those
Absolutely.
people, don't feel shy. Put your creativity out there. Engage with people. If it's virtual reality, it's okay. It's still a reality. Accept it and move on with life.
Right, absolutely true.
Yeah.
Because creativity is what we should keep going on, and that brings us, not only brings us together, all the creative minds together, but yes, being judgmental, you can't help it because, like people judging you, you can't stop doing that. Whatever we do, the people will still judge. Even the conversation we are having today, we had before, we will have tomorrow. We are not there to satisfy everyone. It's not possible because some people will like us, some people will not like us. So that's the way it is. That's not just it is today, it was there before, and it will be there later on as well. So we
Absolutely.
sincerely and honestly would try to just work on bettering each day our own
And
individual.
as Shreyas is doing this, I'm sure you don't know कि आपका कौन सा पोस्ट किसके लिए किस टाइप से हेल्पफुल हो,
एग्जैक्टली
right?
एग्जैक्टली दैट इज वाई योर न्यूज चैनल में क्या होता है कि एक तरह का इंफॉर्मेशन तो होता नहीं है. दे हैव डिफरेंट सेगमेंट्स. नाउ दैट वी हैव अ सेलिब्रिटी सेगमेंट विद यू, and you told me that I was hosting something on a Bengali thing as well. So the news channel has like different kind of slots, segments catering to different
Absolutely.
people. So सबके लिए
Absolutely.
तो वेलबींग अच्छा नहीं लगेगा, सबके लिए बॉलीवुड भी अच्छा नहीं लगेगा, किसी के लिए गाना डांस वो ज्यादा बेहतर रहेगा. So it's a combo of everything, and which we are wanting to show it to the
और ये
world.
और ये कॉम्बिनेशन क्या है? ये कॉम्बिनेशन एक प्रकार का क्रिएटिविटी है. आपने
Exactly,
ब्रांच आउट किया है. अगर
exactly.
आप अगर अगर आप ये न्यूज चैनल को सिर्फ अमेरिका के दर्शकों के लिए रखते, तो शायद ये मेल मिलाप होता ही नहीं, ये कॉन्वर्सेशन
होता ही
होता
नहीं.
ही नहीं. अगर
हाँ.
आप अपना जो बंगाली चैनल का जो पॉडकास्ट था, अगर आप उसे सिर्फ बंगाली लोगों के लिए ही रखते एंड यू वुड नॉट मेक इट पब्लिक, तो मैं देखता नहीं. एंड आई, डिस्पाइट
Absolutely.
नॉट अंडरस्टैंडिंग द बंगाली लैंग्वेज बट loving the culture, was so wowed by it, and I could share it with you before we even started this interview.
Exactly. And I am so thankful that Shreyas, you have been following and you have taken so much interest in coming to our show, talking to us, and it shows
It seems
the
such a
Uh,
lovely show, Arijit, I must say. Uh,
exactly, it was like
we
we
have
did
Yeah,
not
lost the
prepare for
time,
it.
but we are not feeling and don't
Yeah,
want to
and,
leave the
we did
conversation.
not prepare for it. It was coming as a way we progressed with our show, and that's the best part of the conversation I liked with Shreyas. And being such a humble person you are, really, I
yes,
am touched. I'm touched, and I have been lately watching your Instagram thing, and you have a huge fan follower there.
thank
You
you.
are becoming a superstar in a in a mass media follower. So
Thank
I
you.
would like to see you grow from strength to strength. Just not have a thousand, 100,000 million viewers, but like to see you a billion viewers.
May we all grow together.
Yes, thank you so
Yes,
much.
thank
Thank
It was
you.
you.
so nice. Arpita, you can conclude.
Yeah, so it was really nice talking to you, Shreyas, and thank you for joining us. Thank you for accepting our request to come in the show, and we would like to have you again sometime in this, same
Thank
platform.
you.
Uh, and finally, I just wanted to, ask you if you could say just few words to our viewers
Oh,
before leaving.
absolutely. Most certainly. Pehle, to I really want to compliment Arijit son, Arpita. Thank you guys so much for putting this up, organizing this entire thing, reaching out to me and thinking I am of value to come on your show. That itself has made me very humble. Thank you so, so very much. I think it's a phenomenal thing you guys are doing. और ऐसे ही करते रहना, please, that, we all can come together and just spread happiness, positivity, love and light. मैं सब दर्शकों को ये कहना चाहता हूँ that guys, uh, good thoughts, good words, good deeds, be good people, communicate. There are people around you who need a ear to listen. They just want a kandha to cry upon. Be that shoulder for them, be those ears for them. If you feel somebody genuinely, actively needs mental health, please reach out to them, take them to professionals, be there for people, because guys, ultimately, instead of making small communities in this one big world, if together we can become one big community, can you imagine the magic we all can create together? So guys, lots of love,
So
blessings,
nice.
and thank you so very much.
Thank you, Shreyas. And to all our viewers, thank you for joining us. I know you love this show, and I hope you enjoyed this show as well. So, guys, please like the channel, like the Facebook page of the channel, nrbnews24.com, and do subscribe us, do post the comments, whatever you feel about this show, because it will help us bringing new kind of entertaining stuff for you guys. Thank you so much from NRB News 24, Arpita and Arijit, wishing all our viewers a great night and day. Thank you.
Thank you so much. See you next week again with the celebrity shows. Bye. Thank
Thank
you
you.
so much. Stay well, Shreyas. We will be in touch. Bye bye.